You may have heard of the word model a lot. What is model? Generally speaking, a model is a representation for us to refer or to follow in order to get our answers or estimations. So, modeling means the action of getting the model. Linear regression is a model that describes the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent or explanatory variables. Let x be the independent or explanatory variables and y be the dependent variables or the labels that we use to get our analytics answers. Using linear regression, we can express the relationship between x and y with mathematical equation y equals to b0 plus b1x1 plus b2x2 and further. Here, x1, x2 and all the other x are various features or the explanatory variables. And b0 is a constant, which we don't discuss further for now. While b1, b2 and the other b's are the weights for respective x. You don't need to worry about how to get this linear regression equation. You will learn how to get it using Microsoft Excel in the next tutorial video. Let's see an example here to further understand the interpretation of a linear regression model. Let x be the advertising cost in 1000 ringgit and y be the product sales, also in 1000 ringgit. Obviously, we can see that x is the explanatory variable, which acts as a factor that affects y, which is the product sales. After calculating using tools like Microsoft Excel, we get this model y equals to 3.5 plus 1.47x for this particular data set. Now, we can use this model to estimate y, which is the product sales, by substituting a desired value of x, which is the advertising cost. Let's say we want to estimate the product sales when we spend 10,000 ringgit as the advertising cost. Thus, the estimated sales would be 3.5 plus 1.47 multiplied by 10. We use 10 here instead of 10,000 because the units are in 1000 ringgit already. Eventually, we get to estimate that the sales are 18,200 ringgit. With this estimated amount, we can have a guidance before making decision whether we want to continue with this advertising cost or not. Anyhow, there is no perfect estimations. Further analysis such as accuracy or significance of the model would be needed.